Today we've got a 10-minute full body battle ropes workout. This is gonna be a hard routine, so stay tuned today because I'm gonna guide you through this 10-minute full body workout. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to today's workout. My name's FrankWall. I'm a certified personal trainer and fitness nutrition coach with my 3 main goals to help you feel, move, and look better through mobility training and nutrition. And if you can't see already, yes, we got some battle ropes. It's gonna be very, very intense. So as always, if you'd like to go ahead and skip straight to today's workout, please go ahead and click that link down in the description or down in the comment section below, and we can go ahead and get straight to it. So today's workout is gonna be a 10-minute full body workout, all right? We've got 5 unique moves. Each move is gonna be repeated 1 time. So I'm gonna do each move in succession, and then I'm gonna repeat them all again. So the first 5 minutes is instructional. The second 5 minutes, we're just gonna have music and we're gonna crank it out. So we've got 45 seconds of work with a 15-second break. It's only 10 minutes long. Please, please, please warm up. Do one of my foam rolling videos, do one of my dynamic stretching videos. Just do some sort of warm up before you go into this because you wanna get a little loose. I would highly suggest some foam rolling. You could even do my full body foam rolling workout because this is gonna tax a lot of muscles. Now, if you're brand new and you're a beginner, please feel free to go ahead and take some rest breaks, okay? This is intense. I was even kind of hesitant about even doing the 45-15 because A, I don't do battle ropes all the time. I do use them. B, that's kind of hard for a lot of people, including myself, but you know what? We're gonna sweat and die together, so we're gonna do this. Normally, I would probably say you could do like a 30-30, 30 seconds of work, 30 seconds rest. That'll be a little bit more ideal. 45-15 is really pushing it, and if you're insane, I'm not there yet. Maybe one day on this channel, 1 minute on the minute doing it. I mean, that's just a little too much. So again, I highly recommend that if you need to pause this video, please go ahead and do so because this gets very, very intense. This is very taxing. And if you have bad form on your squats, please watch one of my exercise shorts or watch one of my beginner lower body workouts where I properly squat and I go down on the moves, because if you're doing explosive movements and slamming ropes up and down and you have knee valgus, for example, knees moving in when you're squatting and knees moving in, or foot inversion and eversion, you know, feet just moving in and out to the side, and just all sorts of postural issues, that's gonna just really wreck your body because you're doing explosive movements at a fast pace with bad form. It's a big no-no. So make sure you have your mobility, make sure you have your range of motion and corrective exercise down before you're doing this, because there's no sense in doing explosive, rapid, fast movements with bad form and technique. So have all that down. But with that being said, please let's go ahead, get some water bottles, get hydrated, and we're gonna smash today's workout. And real quick, before we start today's workout, you could just get the rope and loop it around a post or an object, but sometimes the rope flails up and down and bounces around all over the place. So literally, usually the ropes come with this double-ended piece here with a knot in the middle. Just loop it around whatever object you're gonna use, secure it on there tight, and then just go ahead and throw the rope on through. So with that being said, we're gonna get right at it. Alrighty, let's get 15 seconds on the clock. Here we go. Oh man, I'm a little worried, but let's do it. All right, first move, alternating waves. Ropes over toes, starting off, and we're shuffling. So I'm just a little bent. I'm not in a deep squat, although you could, but I don't like it. I like to stand upright tall. I want good posture. I want good technique here. So I'm just moving these arms up and down. My knees are a little bent, and I'm just shuffling up and down. I'm not flailing my arms like crazy. It's nice controlled. My arms are just moving up and down. Nice little rhythm here. My knees are bent. I'm just moving my arms up and down. Nice little shuffle here. Nice controlled movement. And again, if you wanted to get low, you can. If you're like new to this and you want to just move your arms slowly, you can, and then just go ahead and build a rhythm. But then we want to work on speed. So if you want more range, you could go here. It's a little harder, but I'll step back. And again, I'm just going to move it up and down. Because for example, if you're here close, you can come up and down, do stuff like that. If you're here, the rope's not moving as much. You want to have that rhythm in the rope. So next, we've got our squat slam. So up, slam. We're just squatting and slamming up and down. Find that sweet spot where you can get that rope up and down with nice control. Again, I'm not trying to round the low back. Inhale, breathe in, slam it down, and get that nice rhythm. And keep those knees soft. I'm sticking my butt back. And as I squat, I stick my butt back, get the nice slam. Every time I squat, I'm pushing those knees out. Take a deep breath of air, move the ropes up, nice slam, push those knees out. Inhale, and slamming it straight down. Just breathe, work that technique, keep that proper form. Whew, told you it's gonna be tough. All right, so next move, we are going to do our kneeling rainbows. So we're down on the ground. I like to hold these ropes upside down, and then I'm just side to side, doing the rainbow, just going up and down. Because again, you can go overhand, for example, here, but then the ropes move a little bit more over the place. You do have to keep your core more control, but I don't feel my core as much. I feel my shoulders more here. Still working arms and shoulders, but as I'm rotating, you can see a little rhythm in the wave, or a little rhythm in the rope, but I feel my abs so much more. So I'm not sitting all the way down. I'm on my knees, hips just sitting back a little bit, and I'm rotating side to side. All right, a couple more moves, and then I'm gonna try and just crank out the rest. So we've got a push-up triple slam. If you're a beginner, you can use your knees. If you're a little bit more advanced, you're gonna get into that ready full plank. So push-up position, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3 on 3, 1 push-up. 1, 2, 3 on 3 push-up. If you're a beginner, get onto your knees. 1, 2, 3, 1 push-up. Again, when we do the push-up, come down, press and squeeze the chest, and then coming up. You're trying to think about this as you're doing the move, okay? So coming down, push up, keep the tension on the chest, rotate to one side. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's gonna be a little uncomfortable in your knuckles, or you may feel a little bit of pressure, but if you have to, you can let go and do the push-up, and then try and grab on the one side, like that, and then come down. And again, that'll keep your wrist, well, it'll be a little less pressure on your knuckles, but if you want less pressure on the wrist, you might even use a balance pad, for example, put that down onto the ground and do it like that. So now the next move, we're gonna do some in and outs. So with the in and outs, standing just like we did, ropes over toes, and right here, in and out waves. So I'm just kind of bringing the arms side to side. Might even have a little bounce. It's like a little squat, little bounce. We're just moving the arms in and out, okay? If you're a beginner, just bringing the arms in and just slowly, you're just trying to in and out. Tapping the ropes. You can even alternate the arms over each other if you'd like. Every rep, you can kind of squeeze the chest, but you do want to build rhythm, right? So going a little faster until the point where you're just getting those arms, right? If you can go at that speed where you can handle this, go for it. If you got to go a little bit slower, totally understandable. Whew, all right, so cue up the music, let's crank it up. We're gonna go through all this. I guarantee you I'm gonna burn out like crazy because I know this is gonna kick my butt. So let's get after it. 4, 3, 2, 1.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here, let me break it down. Yeah, I'm gonna make it now. Give me some time and you'll see me up on stage somehow. I'm working every day, I'm working hella late. I'm working cause it's worth it. Once you make it, then you play. Yeah, I'm never slowing down, I'm gonna own this town. Live by the saying that your time is lost but never found. Let's go another round, make them give up the crown. Nah, I ain't playing, man, I'll take it, so just give it now. Yeah, I'm gonna work hard, play hard. Yeah, I play my first card, ace hard. Yeah, they know I play smart, play hard. We don't have the same star, we don't have the same cards. Yeah, it's not the hand that you dealt. Nah, it's how you prove it to yourself. Nah, you don't need any wealth. Gotta live your life, work hard and excel. Yeah, don't be looking for their help. Look inside of yourself for the wealth. Keep your mind and your body in good health. And keep working for nobody but yourself. Yeah, you can make it one day. Don't be listening what anybody say. They got their own state of mind, okay. Most of the time they won't help
5,
anything.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Got no time to have doubts. I'm gonna make it somehow. I'm gonna keep my head down. I ain't gonna stop now. Got no time to have doubts. I'm gonna make it somehow. I'm gonna keep my head down. Keep my head down. I'm gonna fight till I make it, yeah. Yeah, I'll be okay. Oh,
5, 4,
I'm gonna fight,
3,
never give it
2,
up.
1.
Yeah, I'll be okay. Oh, I'll be okay. Cause I know just what I'm capable of. You can leave if that's not enough. I believe in never giving up. I don't need someone to help me up. Yeah, I work harder than the rest, smarter than the best. Every day is a test, but I stay obsessed. Maintain progress, keep away from the stress, cause I want nothing less, yeah. I keep moving on, every single day is another gone. Every single day write another song, so one day I'll play with the best is on. Okay, I know my path, not just an artist, I'm doing math. Not just charting, I have to add, cause I'm not just an art kid, I'm a brand. So I'm working hard, thinking smart, taking action with passion and using heart. Getting traction, reactions are just a start. No distractions, attract them to your heart, yeah. I ain't gonna stop now. Got no time to have doubts. I'm gonna make it somehow. I'm gonna keep my head down.
Whew. Oh God, I'm not gonna lie. That was a burner, and I'll be honest, I am by no means an expert at this, okay? I have used them in circuits, but this is the first time that I ever threw all this together, okay? And honestly, at the very beginning, I was already getting gassed because naturally I just like doing a 30-30. So I do 30 seconds alternating waves, and then I do 30 seconds of slams. And obviously you can see I'm not conditioned to do these exercises for a long time. I barely put these together. But again, this is a test. I knew it. That's why I wanted to film this, because I was like, let's sweat and die with each other. Because this is hard. Like, this is so hard for me, you know? And I'm just looking at this rope over here, but I haven't ever tied these exercises together like this. And this is a great way to finish off your workout. Man, if you want your arms to be toned, tight, females, you want smaller, tighter arms, more definition, do this workout. Even guys, if you want to build strength and size, you gotta do different training variables. It can't always just be lifting weights. You do jump rope, get some battle ropes, work on that explosiveness, work on your power, come back to the weights, make sure you're, guys building, you want to be in a calorie surplus. Anybody that wants to lean out a little bit more is a calorie deficit. Now, again, I can go on a whole other tangent about finding out your resting metabolic rate. What kind of nutrition are you doing? Do you have troubles with nutrition? Please, for the love of God, go watch my top 10 diet and nutrition tips video for beginners, because I explain my 10 very best tips that if you want to have success in working out and doing exercises like this and get some sort of definition in your arms, for example, it's going to really help you out, okay? And Nutrition has everything to do with the way you look, all right? And if you're over the age of 30, like me, or some of you that are watching, please go get your hormones checked. All right, I'm also gonna put Dr. Paul Cox's information down below. Please give him a call. He's based in Atlanta, he's in Sandy Springs, and he does a really, really great job. I have over 15, 16 clients that see him. I don't get paid for this. He doesn't even know I'm saying this. I'm not commissioned off of it. I just really want to take care of you. So you got to get your hormones checked, because the average doctor is going to say, oh yeah, you're normal. Normal being 80% of America is overweight and 50% obese. You want to be normal? Like, that's fitting into normal. No, we want to be optimal. So get your hormones checked, have a solid nutrition program, see a registered dietitian, follow some of my YouTube videos, or check out my grocery shopping playlist for tips. Because I'm telling you all this is important. After doing a workout like this, you will just burn yourself to the ground, training your ass off, not eating right, not seeing results. Your heart is gonna be a little bit better, don't get me wrong. But if your body's not changing, you get defeated and you're like, oh, the exercises are working, and then you stop. No, workouts like this are hard, and you need to do your body right and eat the right foods. You know, especially with all the craziness and diseases going around right now, you know what? Exercise is the best way to strengthen your immune system, all right? The best medicine is not vaccines, it's freaking food. Check out Dr. Mark Hyman, drmarkhymon.com, I think. You know, he's one of my favorite doctors when it comes to internal medicine, because he says 99% of all illnesses can be treated through food. This is a whole other video. I'm getting off topic doing my rant. So, hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, again, my name is Frank. Please go ahead and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you never miss any of my latest content, and share this with a friend or family member that could benefit from this information. And if you got a set of battle ropes, I'll link some down below. Get some battle ropes, add them into your training. This is one way of doing it. I might recommend, like, try 3 sets for a minute of one of these exercises for starters, and that's it. And slowly build your way up to it, because doing a workout like this obviously kicked my butt, and I'm sure it might kick your butt too. So, and if you got any feedback for me, please drop it down in the comment section below. Let's have a conversation, and I'd love to chat with you a little bit more and see how things are going in your life. So with that being said, hey, thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next workout.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but some have been much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to sleep, but you listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on the flag. I sail this ship and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack, never look back. I make a record like Crash, top of my bracket I smash.